I'm here at Calilo Resort and Hotel in beautiful Ios, Greece, and we're starting in the master bedroom of the Afterglow suite. It is just a stunning suite, very large and luxurious, super beautiful. It's got this giant marble tub, the master bed, and just a wraparound porch with stunning views all around. There's a shady sunbed over here, and the whole resort is in a private bay. The only people accessing these waters in this area are part of Calilo Hotel and Resort. So exiting the master bedroom, that's that part of the suite. And there's another bedroom with multiple beds here. Down below, of course, there's a gigantic swimming pool here and a large restaurant and bar and just a gorgeous cove beach. We'll take a look in a sec. The second bedroom is in here with 2 beds. And again, this is the Afterglow suite. This little nook in here with the beautiful hanging sunbed and the view out toward the bay. It's nice and shady and calm and quiet in here. Can't see it, but there's a dock for yachts that pull up over here, and all the suites are along the hillside, cascading down above the main part of the resort. Just a beautiful suite, the Afterglow suite here at Calilo. Second bedroom, small pool. And again, this area is the master suite. Just stunning here at Calilo in the Afterglow suite.
Check out our other great travel guides that cover where to stay, eat, and go for popular destinations across Greece, including Athens, Santorini, Mykonos, Crete, Paros, Milos, and more at santorinidave.com and across this YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more super useful travel videos about Greece and beyond from santorinidave.com. Thanks for watching.